I'm really a licensed real estate broker and a licensed life and non-life insurance agent. Primarily, nag-serve mi sa Ginoo, we're helping plant churches. So, in that way, no, naga-disciple mi. So, daghan mig spiritual children kung children lang, and the way to help also them is naman naming mga scholars. Ako man good believer gid ko og cooperative, no. I really esteem highly the cooperatives kasi one of the honors ka ba, tapos you're helping each other, pool resources to help each other. So muna akong ganahan about cooperatives. That's why I'm a member of different cooperatives. But my favorite, of course, is Tagum because of its fast service. Others also, they also have that, but kanang nindot magud ang service gid sa Tagum, friendly ang mga staff, ana. So ma-enjoy ko. Sometimes I borrow money just for the heck of borrowing, kay that's the way to earn man God. If I were one of the owners, then I should help na mag-earn. And ang earning man good sa impress lamang gina sa kung loan. So, tabang po ka kay sa may mo loan, ang allowed members lamang po, di ba? So inana akong ginahimo. Well, na po times kapag na-need, maka-help po siya. So it helps me a lot, of course, no, kay ano po, and at the same time the thought na I get patronage refund, so it makes me happy. Dili man ko Tagum dati. Then I realized, sikat good ang Tagum. Sikat good ang Tagum ko kasi na-read na ako sa newspaper. Kita na ako, nag-research manggad ko kaya I didn't just want to be involved with a billionaire cooperative. And awarded ang Tagum Cooperative as the well-managed na cooperative. So wow, I want to be involved in this kasi well-managed. Siyempre, pag well-managed sa isa ka cooperative, it means nga nindot ang dividends, no? Cash dividends na ma-receive kay manang akong gauge. So ako primarily is through loans, no? Kanang ako in little ways, like kanang mga cups, mga award niyo pampagana good, no? Kanang mga points, ang ganahan mo ko mo claim dayon ko ana. Pero of course the primary is kanang dili man sa no, pero wow, the dividends, no, 12%, big time talaga. And I don't want, nasabi ko nga, na-enjoy ko ang dividends. 12% is quite a high na return sa ako ang investment. And in return also, I just don't want to keep kanang sugod no, kanang gina-enjoy lang nako, and then but the cooperative is not enjoying naman pud sa kuha, no. So in return I borrow also, no, para katabang to sa pag-maintain sa 12% nako, or hopefully even higher. So in that give and take lang naman yan eh. Primarily kana time deposit, tapos capital share na unsa, then ang ginaano na ako karon kanang drive. Kabalo ka pag maadto kog laing cooperatives, no, man. Moingon ko, oy kabalo mo, paspasi ko ninyo kay I'm telling you, Tagum Cooperative, within 5 minutes, release akong loan, wala na ibinuang. Malangay lang ko because naiunang nakapila dito. Pero ang pag-unsap, pirmahay, igun na kung mapirma, paspas ka ayo, that good ang ilang service. I really tell them that. And I mean it, no? But when I said that, kanang ginamin, kasi it's really fast. And I like that, na fast service. Of course, na without compromising the also na masig fast lang pero lugi ka dito, pero fast because you know well na ninyo na sang I like the fast service good kana gid akong pinakaganahan. Tagum Cooperative is really a trustworthy cooperative. It does not earn its title as the well-managed cooperative for nothing. Talagang pinaghirapan yan, and I like the staff, no, kanang siyempre mag-particular ko kisa mga staff na naga-manage gud ani mga people at the top. If you want no na mag-group ang atong business together sa atong pagiging part sa Tagum Cooperative, you patronize the products really because they have wonderful products that they offer to us and that can help us also, and at the same time helping our cooperative grow and be a progressive na contributor sa country nato sa pag-progress. I am a proud member. Salamat Tagum Cooperative. Ikaw talaga the best. You rock!